So, ang problem natin is x squared y prime is equal to 4x squared plus 7xy plus 2y squared. So, before, natutunan na natin na y squared is equal to dy over dx. So, palitan na natin siya, magiging siyang x squared dy over dx is equal to 4x squared plus 7xy plus 2y squared. So, multiply na natin both sides by dx. So, magiging na siyang x squared dy is equal to 4x squared plus 7xy plus 2y squared. Itong buong na to term, multiply siya sa dx. So, ang gagawin natin dyan is, gawin natin, magiging, ito na yung, natin, since, ilalat natin ang y sa vx kasi mas madali yung dy dito. So, y is equal to vx. So, dy is equal to v dx plus x dv. So, substitute na natin itong dalawa sa na-solve nating equation. So, magiging siyang x squared dy is v dx plus x dv is equal to 4x squared plus 7x, y is vx, so vx plus 2y squared is y is v x, so squared to, magiging dx. So ngayon, isa-simplify na natin yung mga pwede nating masimplify. Kagaya nito, 2x squared, tas may x squared dito, may x squared din dito. Tapos dito din x squared. So, ilabas na natin lahat ng x squared. So, magiging x squared times v dx plus x dv. Is equal to, para dito sa term na to, pag nilabas yung x squared, magiging x squared times 4 plus, ito yung x squared, itong dalawang x, plus 7v, yun na lang yung tira. So, plus, ito yung x squared. So, 2v squared. So, 2v squared dx. So, ngayon is i-divide na natin both sides by x squared. Para makancel natin yung itong dalawang x squared na to. Itong dalawa. So, magiging na lang v dx plus x dv is equal to 4 plus 7v plus 2v squared dx. So, ngayon is may v dx dito. May dx dito. May dx dito. So, pwede natin silang i-combine. So, ang magiging ka-equals niyan is, since magkaiba silang sides, minus sila. So, 7v minus v is 7 minus 1 is 6. So, magiging na lang siyang 4 plus 6v plus 2v squared dx is equal to, ito na lang yung tira, so x dv. Ngayon is, di pa natin nasa separate yung variables, magiging na siyang dv all over ito, 4 plus 6v plus 2v squared is equal to dx all over x. So, yun yung i-integrate na natin kasi na-separate na natin yung variables. Erase na natin to. So, ngayon is ito, madali lang to integrate kasi ln x lang naman natin yan. ln x yan. So, ito yung focusan natin. So, may common sa kanila, which is 2. So, ito, may 2 dito sa kanilang tatlo. So, labas natin yung 2. So, magiging siyang, dito na lang natin sulat, magiging integral of dv over 2 times 4 divided by 2 is 2 plus 3v plus v squared. So, itong 1/2, may 1/2 dito, labas na lang natin siya as a constant. So, magiging 1/2 integration of dv all over 2 plus 3v plus v squared. So, yan. Mas madali na nating mahanap yung factors niyan. Ang gawin natin dyan is integration by parts. So, ang ano nito, ang factors ng 2 plus 3v plus v squared is ano lang naman siya, v plus 2 times v plus 1. So, sulat natin siya. 1. Alisin muna natin to. Gamitin natin yung partial fractions. Is equal to a times v plus 2, v plus 2, plus b over v plus 1. Lagay muna natin dito sa gilid. So, multiply na natin both sides by the denominator. So, magka-cancel to. Matitira na lang is 1. 1 is equal to a times v plus 1 plus b times v plus 2. So, ngayon, ilat natin yung v is equal to negative 1 para makancel tong a dito. And makuha natin yung value ng 2. So, v is equal to negative 1. 1 is equal to a times negative 1 plus 1 plus b times negative 1 plus 2. So, negative 1 plus 1 is 0 lang naman. So, cancel to. So, magiging na siyang 1 is equal to negative 1 plus 2 is 1. So, b. So, b dito is 1. So, let naman natin yung v is equal to negative 2 para maka-cancel tong b and makuha natin yung value ng a. So, magiging na siyang 1 is equal to a times negative 2 plus 1 plus b times negative 2 plus 2. So, since ito 0 lang naman, negative 2 plus 2, cancelled na to. Magiging na siyang 1 is equal to negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So, negative 1a. So, a is equal to negative 1. Nakuha na natin yung values ng a and b. Sulat natin dito, a is equal to negative 1, b is equal to 1. So, ang partial fractions niya is negative 1 over v plus 2. Kasi sinubstitute na natin yung negative 1 sa a. Plus 1 lang naman, so 1 over v plus 1. So, ngayon, gagawin natin is integrate na natin both sides. So, yan. Integrate na natin both sides. So, magiging siyang negative ln v plus 2 plus ln v plus 1. So, yan yung integration nito. And wag natin kalimutan yung 1/2 na nilabas natin. Integration nito is ito. And may 1/2 dito sa labas. So, multiply natin tong buong term na to sa 1/2. So, yan. Yan na yung final talaga na integration nito. So, copy natin yan. Erase lang natin to. So, integration nito is ito. So, copy natin magiging 1/2 negative ln v plus 2 plus ln v plus 1 is equal to ln x. So, ngayon is multiply naman natin both sides by 2 kasi para makancel tong 1/2 dito. So, magiging na siyang negative ln v plus 2 plus ln v plus 1 is equal to 2 ln x. And wag rin natin kalimutan yung plus c. Kasi nag-integrate tayo, may plus c dito. So, ln c na lang natin yan kasi lahat may ln. So, 2 ln c. So, ngayon is, kung matatandaan natin, ang ginawa natin is y is equal to vx. So, v is equal to y over x. So, palitan na natin yung mga v dito, ito, tapos yan. Palitan natin, magiging na siyang negative ln. V is y over x plus 2 plus ln y over x plus 1 is equal to 2 ln x Pwede naman natin, combine na lang natin to para shorter. Magiging ln x squared plus ln c squared. So, ln x squared c squared. So, yan. Simplify natin tong mga nasa loob ng ln. So, magiging siyang negative ln. Denominator yung x, y plus 2x plus ln. Denominator yung x, y plus x is equal to ln x squared c squared. So, ngayon is combine na natin tong dalawa by the logarithm rule. Since minus to, magiging denominator, ito ang numerator. So, ito, copy lang natin, y plus x, ln y plus x over x times reciprocal nito. So, x over y plus 2x. Kasi, pag nag-divide tayo ng dalawang terms, yung nasa negative is magiging reciprocal kapag nag-multiply tayo. So, ginawa ko yan para mas madali nating ma-solve and malinis siya tignan pag sinulat. So, makakancel tong x. And, copy na lang natin to. ln x squared c squared. So, ang tira na lang dito is ln y plus x all over y plus 2x is equal to ln x squared c squared. So, cancelled na yung logarithm. So, ang tira na lang is y plus x over y plus 2x is equal to x squared c squared. Multiply natin both sides by the denominator y plus 2x para makancel. So, magiging na lang siyang y plus x is equal to c squared x squared y plus 2x. So, yan na yung final answer natin.